Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fights o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the
Hey PSL, it's your Mayor Greg Orvac, and on behalf of our 5-person City Council, more than 1,100 city employees, and 200,000 of your fellow citizens, I'd like to wish you a happy 4th of July. The 4th of July is the American holiday, and we normally celebrate outside together in the great outdoors with barbecues in a little event we like to call Freedomfest. Unfortunately, this year is anything but normal due to the scourge that is COVID-19. As a result, instead of asking you if you're ready for some fireworks, I have to ask you to keep taking proper precautions. Please social distance, wash your hands, and when you can't social distance, put on a mask. Just for the record, we are socially distanced in this room, and I do have a mask right on the other side of that camera. Transmissions and hospitalizations are up, and we need to take this pandemic seriously and flatten the curve once again. By working hard, smart, and together, we will overcome the coronavirus and any other challenge that is put in front of us. Which brings me back to the 4th. No, we will not be getting together for Freedomfest this year, but that doesn't stop us from celebrating in our back or front yards responsibly. And it certainly doesn't stop us from reflecting on what the 4th of July is really about. 244 years ago, our founding fathers delivered the unanimous Declaration of the 13 United States of America, declaring not only independence, but making a statement that changed the course of human history. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. The rights to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, the essence of what makes us American. Even though we are a nation of 328 million people with at least that many opinions, we are a nation that believes in these rights. It is our belief in these rights, and when necessary, the honor and the courage to fight for these rights, that is at the heart of what makes our nation great. Now, closer to home, here in PSL, I want you to know that your City Council and I, along with our entire team of public servants, are working hard, smart, and together with you, our citizens, to create a community where we can not only pursue happiness, but capture it. Coronavirus or not, we're lucky to live in PSL. We have a lot going for us. We're blessed by natural resources that epitomize the Florida lifestyle. We're the safest large city in Florida, have one of the highest rates of home ownership, and are a melting pot where people of all races and ethnicities live together. According to U.S. News and World Report, if you don't subscribe, maybe we should, we're one of the best places to live near a beach, we're one of the best places to retire, and we're the 23rd most desirable place to live in the entire United States of America. Based on these and other strengths, I often think that what makes Port St. Lucie most special is that we're a place where the American dream is alive and well. And just as an essential element of the American dream is the belief that a good life will be even better for our children and the next generation, I believe an essential element of Port St. Lucie is our great promise. For all that there is to love, our best is yet to come. So Port St. Lucie, let's celebrate the 4th safely. Let's do what we have to do to beat COVID-19. And let's keep working hard, smart, and together at being our best and on building a safe, beautiful, and prosperous city for all people. Happy 4th of July. May God bless you, our veterans, our city of Port St. Lucie, and may God continue to bless the United States of America. Happy 4th, everybody.
Hello, Port St. Lucie. So it's 4th of July, it's our nation's birthday. It's a time to really think back about where we've come as a nation and have a party. Unfortunately, due to the pandemic this year, things are a little bit different. We've been encouraged not to gather in large groups, and for good reason. So we want you to enjoy the fireworks on your TV20. We want you to think about all the things that you have that are special to you and everything that's special about our country. So I want to wish you a happy 4th of July and thank you for being a Port St. Lucie resident.
Hey Port St. Lucie, and happy birthday America. It's a shame we can't all get together for a party, but let's all stay safe, stay socially distanced, and we'll all get together in the fall.
Hi, my fellow Port St. Lucians. It's me, Councilwoman Caraballo, and I just want to wish you a very happy and safe 4th of July. I hope that we can celebrate next year, and I wish we could this year. But please enjoy the virtual fireworks, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you very soon. Stay safe and healthy during this crisis. Take care.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Morgan, City Council for Port St. Lucie, and I wanted to wish everyone in the city a very happy 4th of July. Be safe, enjoy your family, and hopefully we'll have great weather for you to enjoy it. And just wishing America a happy 244th birthday and looking forward to celebrate next year together. Be safe and God bless America.
On July 4th, 1776, the delegates to the Second Continental Congress signed the Declaration of Independence. Most Americans know that the signing of this document was the first step towards forming the United States of America and eventually establishing the rights and freedoms that we the people enjoy today. A lesser known fact is that another important document signed only a decade later, the U.S. Constitution, mandates a decennial census. Article 1, Section 2 of the Constitution requires an actual enumeration be made every 10 years, meaning every single resident of the United States must be counted. Completing the census is a patriotic responsibility that has huge implications for every person living in the U.S. The census count helps determine everything from how many seats each state gets in the U.S. House of Representatives, the number of state and local legislative districts needed, how much federal funding is allocated to states and localities, and which communities need a new elementary school, hospital, or highway. Businesses will use the results to make decisions about where to invest, where to open new stores, factories, and where to expand and recruit employees. This could mean new jobs and economic growth right here. The City of Port St. Lucie is asking you to fulfill your patriotic duty by filling out the U.S. Census online at 2020census.gov or by calling 844-330-2020. Do this for you. Do this for our community. Do this for our next generation because all of our futures rely on it. If we want to build a better PSL, every response and every dollar counts.